remember seeing 18 fractures out of 24 vertebrae in the spine. Just bada bing, bada boom, bada bing.
Bada bing, bada bad medicine. This practitioner is saying she has old fractures. This patient is also well into her 70s if you watch the video. She also most likely has osteoporosis just based on the presentation. She should not get high force adjustments. If she was under my care, she'd be treated by a certified Cox practitioner. That's COX, you filthy animal. So follow me for more evidence-based chiropractic and so you know exactly what to run away from. Bada boom, bada